Hi.
I'm back. First, let me tell a short story. So, back in the day when I was a kid, I watched the movie Iron Man for the first time, and I was absolutely mind blown with the thing he could just do, how he could control things with just using a few words. That was amazing. And to be honest, I didn't understand anything then. I was dumb, actually. But I liked how he could fly and do a bunch of things. Man, it was so cool, you know what I'm saying? So, little Jonas was like, I'm gonna be Iron Man.
Look at this dude. No, 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 no.
And day after day, that little kid grew up and became, well, me, doing YouTube videos. That's why today we will make things work with my voice. So today we're making a smart plug that you can control from your computer and then your voice. Alright, first things first, I don't know how to build one yet, so let's take a look on what smart plugs actually look like. Let's go to Amazon and then search for smart plugs. There you go. Oh, they're pretty ugly. Not that expensive, by the way, but I can make a cheaper one.
2 hours later.
Now let's check YouTube to steal some ideas. I mean, to get some inspiration.
"24 hours later."
Well, after checking YouTube, it turned out that they're actually all using the same component, which is the ESP. I don't have one, so I better find a way to build it without using that stupid ESP. You see, all of those DIY projects are all using the same principle. Even the professional ones, they're all following the same diagram, as you see here. A power adapter that delivers 5 volts to the ESP or whatever wireless transmission technology they're using. Then it triggers a relay and it just works. It's that simple. So instead of using the ESP, I'm gonna use an RC chip. Bam, let's do it. So all we need is this and that, a couple of these and those. And now let's do some magic. So while editing the video, I realized that it's not a really good idea to skip the assembling phase. You gotta watch it. I mean, I need those minutes. Man, please. Don't worry, I'll make it fun with my editing skills. I can do everything, I guess. I can move pictures left, right, up and down. I can even add some echo if you want to. So chill. There's one more thing. We actually gonna need a welding caustic. If you don't have it, just buy one. Man, come on. And we gonna wait for it to get hot, and we're gonna need some music actually.
Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old. It was a big, big world, but we thought we were bigger. Pushing each other to the limits, we were learning quicker. By 11, smoking herb and drinking burning liquor. Never rich, so we were out to make that steady figure. Once I was 11 years old, my daddy told me, go get yourself a wife or you'll be lonely. Once I was 11 years old. Always had that dream like my daddy before me. So I started writing songs, I started writing stories. Something about that glory just always seemed to bore me, 'cause only those I really love will ever really know me. Once I was 20 years old, my story got told before the morning sun when life was lonely. Once I was 20 years old. I only see my goals, I don't believe in failure, 'cause I know the smallest voices, they can make it major. I got my boys with me, at least those in favor. And if we don't meet before I leave, I hope I'll see you later. Once I was 20 years old.
And I'm done. Look at this masterpiece. It's so ugly. Let's 3D print a housing for this. See, 3D printing is really bad for the environment, guys. That's why I'm gonna use this instead. So that's the final device. I mean, it looks good. I love it. But we're not done yet, because this thing has a receiving chip inside of it. We still have a transmission board that we can control using the Arduino and then our computer and our voice, actually, or whatever we want. Which means that it's time to do some coding. Okay, now we're done coding. Let's see if it actually works. Yeah, let's see. So the first thing we will do is to plug it in like this and then turn it on. I hope it doesn't explode or something. And then we plug in the device that we want to turn smart like this. And now let's go to the computer. Okay, now I will run the code and it's running. Okay. Linda, turn the lights off, please.
Okay, turning the lights off.
Nice. Linda, turn the lights on.
Okay, turning the lights on.
I'm Iron Man. Okay, Linda, play the song We've Got It Going.
Okay, playing the song We Got It Going from the standard playlist.
Everybody to the music, everybody jam. So that was everything. I know that I missed a lot of details like how the code works and how to wire the transmission board. I will put the code in. Oh but I will upload the code and everything in GitHub. The link is in the description. And please, if you like this video, consider subscribe. That red thing. Yeah. Thank you.